welcome back to my YouTube channel, Simple Life in the Philippines. First, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers who's supporting my little channel. For today's video, guys, I'm going to make a Black Forest cake. Last time, I do cooking, and now I'm going to show you how to bake a Black Forest cake. This is the ingredients that we need to use for Black Forest cake. So now, we are going to start our baking. So here we have this cocoa powder, hot water, so we need half cup. And then we're going to use the wire whisk. Now we need to add our oil. Half cup of oil also. So we're going to mix this. And then we need to add our sugar. So we're going to separate the egg yolk and the egg whites. So here right now we're going to prepare our eggs. So I have 6 eggs here. Make sure that your egg whites, it's no yolk, or else gonna be damage your meringue. And then we need to put this sugar on the egg white. And then we need to use the mixer. Here we have white sugar, so we need to put 1/4 cup of white sugar on our stainless bowl. Then we need to put water also, so which is 1/4 cup of hot water, or warm water, it's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna use hot water. And then we're going to boil this until it turns to a syrup. And then later on, we're going to add our White Castle whiskey.
A few moments later.
And now the sugar syrup is ready, and it's time to add the whiskey. And then that's it. We are going to cut the cake into half. And here we need to make our icing. So I'm going to use the cream. We have a cream here. And then we're going to put on the mixer. So first, I'm going to put our cake on. I'm going to use the plate for me, because this one is just for the house. So I'm going to put it here. So here. Okay, since I don't have a brush, so I'm going to use the piping brush for my syrup. So this is the sugar syrup with rum. Okay. So I'm going to do like this. So instead of using brush, and I don't have it, so I use this piping bag. We're going to start our decorating. So we're going to put our cream. Okay, and then we have strawberry jam. Put not too much. Strawberry jam inside. Okay, next layer. Yeah. And the cream again. This time I'm going to add chocolate chips. Not too much. I don't want to put too much because later I need to use plenty of Okay, so next put a cream again. Okay, and then jam. Then another layer. This one. Perfect. Oh, I make plenty of cream. So this time we're going to cover it all. So yeah. Okay, here I have another pastry bag. This is new. So I'm going to cut this and put the piping tip. So I have 2 extra cake there, so we're going to remove that. Here, we're going to put the piping tape inside the piping bag. Then, put our cream. Then we're going to make a decoration. Just put decoration on the top only, because later we're going to put our cream. I mean chocolate. Okay, that's it. And this one, while preparing we're going to prepare our chocolate. I'm going to put this on the refrigerator because this one is cream, so we're gonna be melt. And then before that, we're going to add the cherry. So here we have a cherry. There's a lot of tissue. I use plenty of tissue when I do baking or decorating. I need a lot of tissue. So we have a cherry here. need to dry it off a little bit. And then put this on the top of our, no, it's not in the center. So just like that. To look better. Just like that. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator while preparing the chocolate. And this time, I'm going to shape the chocolate using the potato peeler so that I can have a thin slice of chocolate, because sometimes you can't get a curl chocolate slice. It's because if your chocolate it's a little bit soft, and you can't do it also when it's too hard, so you need to make sure that you're in the middle. But mine it's a little bit soft, so it's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to remove I'm not comfortable using this while putting the chocolate. So we still have extra chocolate in case we need it later. So just like this.